Kenyan priest in Jamaica charged with several sexual-related offenses. One of St. James' most wanted fatally shot in police operation.
Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force has disclosed the charges a Roman Catholic priest is facing in relation to a sexual abuse case allegedly involving a 12-year-old schoolgirl. In a release on Tuesday afternoon, the police confirmed that the priest, who is Kenyan, has been charged with 4 counts of sexual-related offenses. The charges against the 39-year-old include sexual intercourse with a person under 16 years, sexual touching of a child, grievous sexual assault, and abduction of a child fewer than 16 years old. The incident reportedly took place at a Roman Catholic church in Portmore, St. Catherine. The complainant is a 12-year-old primary school student. According to police, reports are that the priest befriended the child and lured her to his home where he allegedly assaulted her. The charges were filed after the man was positively identified by the complainant during an identification parade and a question and answer interview with his attorney, the police stated. The JCF said it is committed to ensuring justice for all victims of sexual offenses and urges anyone with additional information related to the case to come forward. The police did not disclose the name of the priest. Tevon Poppy Johnson, one of St. James' most wanted criminals, was on Tuesday night fatally shot in a shootout with the security forces in Mount Salem. The 26-year-old, who is said to be a top-tier member of the Alliance gang, was wanted for several murders and shooting in the parish. It is reported that about 11 p.m., a police military team carried out an intelligence-led operation in Crawford Street in Mount Salem, which was under a zone of special operations, in search of Johnson, who was said to be staying at a premises in the community. On arrival at the location, the security team was reportedly fired on by Johnson. They returned fire and Johnson was shot. According to the police, a pistol was recovered from the body. They indicated that Johnson was one of the high-value criminal suspects operating in the St. James Police Division, noting that intelligence has linked him to several crimes over the past decade. In anticipation of street protests over Johnson's death, the security forces are maintaining a strong presence in the area.